Can't catch me. George, I'm going to easily catch you. You're so little. That's not fair. You're helping George. That's because he's little. Do you want me to help you? No, I don't need help. I'm a big girl like you. Come on then, Peppa. Try and catch us. Can't catch us. Can't catch us. This is a silly game. Can we play something else? Okay, I know a really good game for big children. It's called Sly Fox.
Hi, Sissy.
I want to play Sly Fox.
Hi.
What is it?
Can you smile? Yeah, there's a smile. Hi, sis. What? Can you talk? Hi, sis. Tell Mama all about it. Yeah? What else? Huh? Tell Mommy. Oh, yeah? Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. Do you love your new toy? Yeah? Do you love your new toy? There's a pretty smile.
Can we play a different
Yeah.
Yes, but as long as it's a grown-up game. I know! Let's play my favourite game. It's very grown-up.
Oh, goodness.
George, do you know what Peppa's favourite game is?
You sticking your tongue out?
George, you can jump in puddles.
You hit your toy. Hit it again, you'll make noise.
Chloe. I'm too
Yeah.
grown up to jump in muddy puddles. Oh, so am I.
George loves jumping in muddy puddles. Secretly, Peppa would love to jump in the puddle, but she wants to look grown up.
I hear there's some puddle jumping going on.
Mummy Pig and Daddy Pig love jumping in muddy puddles.
Can you smile again?
Yes.
Can you smile again? Yeah? Can you smile again?
Maybe there's a rule that says big girls can jump in muddy puddles.
Oh my goodness, it's getting all worked up.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Peppa and Willie love jumping up and down in muddy puddles. Everyone loves jumping up and down in muddy puddles. Even grown-up girls.
Oh goodness. Wonder what's your brother doing? Cooper, what are you doing? No, I want to get you on the camera. Fit thrower? Help what?
My feet.
Your feet? What's wrong with your feet? Are you fussy?
Okay. Want to go game?
A game?
Yeah.
What about a game?